Here we have another type of the question, proving question in trigonometry again. Let's solve it. The question is sine 38 degree plus sine 22 degree equals to sine 82 degree. All right, so how to do it? Do you see anything, any method? As I told you, always the question comes with the clue. All right, sine 82 you cannot break. You can use half angle formula. I mean, no method. I mean, we can't proceed further. If you solve left hand side, now see here, 38 sine 38 plus sine 22. Let's forget whatever the number these are at the present time. What about if we think this as a sine x and sine y? Then don't you think it's going to be very easy? It's going to be 2 sine of x plus y divided by 2 times cosine of x minus y divided by 2. All right, so let's use this formula. Now after using this formula, see, it's 38 and 22, and 8 and 2, when I saw and it came in my brain that 8 and 2 is 10, it means it's 0 carry over 1. 3 plus 2 5 and 6, so it's 60, 60 over 2, that's 30. So only one thing is getting left, because the main motto is we have here 2 sine and we need to get into the one form, into the one. I mean, right hand side is only with the 1 sine value, and in the left hand side we have 2, so we need to remove one trigonometric ratio. So that came in my mind first, and when I added this, it came 60 by 2, that's 30, and 30 is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 and 2, this will cancel up and I will be left here. So that's the clue I get from the question. So I'm now proceeding it. All right, so our left hand side is equal with sine 38 degree plus sine 22 degree, and further twice of sine x plus y. This will be working as x and this will be working as a y, so it will be 38 plus 22. 38 plus 22 divided by 2. These all are degree. Okay, if I'll forget to write degree, then please consider my mistake as an error, as a neglected. It's cosine of x minus y, that's 38 degree minus 22 degree divided by 2. Okay, so it's 2 times sine. Now 38 plus 22 is 60 degree divided by 2, and cosine of now 38 minus 22, 8 minus 2, that's 6, and 3 minus 2, that's 1, so 16 over 2, and further it's going to be 2 sine 30 degree times cosine of 80 degree. Yeah, see, it's sine 82, keep in mind. All right, and now I'm just gonna apply the value of sine 30. All right, it's 2, and sine 30, everybody know that's 1 by 2. And what about this cosine of 8? Here I want to come, here I want to discuss one thing, that cosine of theta is sine of 90 minus theta. I hope you're remembering this formula. So if it is cosine of 8 degree, then it's sine of 90 degree minus 8 degree, and that's sine of 82 degree. Am I right? Yes. So it's gonna be now instead of writing cosine of 8, what I'm gonna write, cosine of I'm gonna write directly sine of 90 degree minus 8 degree. All right, and this 2 and 2 will cancel up, and so 90 minus 8, that's, yes, sine 82 degree, which is our right hand side, and it's proved. All right, so always see this type of question whenever you use any number. Here is 38, here is 22. Later you will get like 100, here 20, here 40, anything you can get. Here is sine, you may get cosine, anything you get it. So in this type of the questions, this is another type of the proving question. And proving questions also, there are many different types of proving question in this, actually sum and difference of the trigonometry form, or you can say transformation formula, transformation identity of trigonometry into the product form, or product form into the sum and difference form. So many different types of the proving question there are, and you need to keep always in mind and use your brain, move your brain everywhere possible, so that you can get the answer. All right, see you in the next video. Goodbye.